Hi, my name is Nansuda Wiriyong. Today I talk about the business news. IPO information. In Italy public offering IPO, a company's first sale of stock to the public. Security offers in an IPO are obtained, but not always. Those of young small companies seeking outside equality, capital and public market for their stock. Investor purchasing stock in IPO generally must be priced to accept considerable risk for the possibility of landscapes. IPO by investment companies costs and funds usually includes underwriting fees that represent a lot to buyers. Thank you. Goodbye.